up guys, welcome back to another video from my channel. Today I'm going to review about Binance. It's the platform how to sell your cryptocurrency or how to buy the cryptocurrency by online banking. So if you're familiar with the Binance, so that's fine. If you're not, please watch this and I will show you how to get cryptocurrency or sell your cryptocurrency. Before that, I put the link of this platform Binance at my description of this video. You go and click that and you will get such page. So you have to register and put your email and password and create account. So once you done that, you download the app, the Binance app on your phone, then go open the Binance. So I have already account, so I don't need to download again. The first step, once you download that, you need to verify your document. Look at the top, at the left side, the top app. You click on that and here is verify. So my account is done verified. Just you need to click that and take a photo from your ID front and back, and take a selfie proof you're not a robot. Then hold on for a few minutes, you will get an email, your account is successful, verified. Once you've done that, the second step, you need to buy cryptocurrency. So there's two options to buy cryptocurrency from Binance. So this is a main page here, good guys. It's a home sorry, it's a market, trade, it's a wallet. So you click at the home first, here the home page. So if it's allowed to buy the cryptocurrency by debit card or MasterCard in your country, go ahead, you can click here, credit card and debit card. I'm staying in Malaysia. Unfortunately, it's not allowed to buy cryptocurrency by debit card, so I need to use P2P. So if it's allowed to buy by debit card in your country, it's very easy. You go ahead, you'll get the icon of cryptocurrency you want to buy. Just click, put amount and put your details of your Visa card or debit card. You will get the cryptocurrency in your wallet. So today I'm using the P2P. Click to P2P and you will get such page. Before that, if you buy, okay, you buy, look first. So here are lots of, you type what cryptocurrency you want to buy. I just put USDT. So this is the price is 4.25 ringgit, Malaysian ringgit. So this is amount. If I want to buy, just click on buy and enter the amount. So look at this is below the red line. It minimum amount I need to buy 5,791 Malaysian ringgit. So below that is impossible to get because this guy is a put limit. You can check out. You want a less, for example, you want $100 US, you can scroll down and find. Let me show you. Hold on. Okay, look at this, 50 Malaysian ringgit. 50 is around, as I think it's 10 or 12 US. You click on that, buy, put the 50 ringgit, and it's allowed. I said 11 US. So click on buy. Look, you will get such page. If you want to transfer, you click on transfer and you will get some details of the guy who's selling the 50 Malaysian ringgit crypto. So you got his name, you got his account and his account bank. You transfer for your local bank, then once you transfer it and click on transfer it, next, it's mean you let him know you already transfer. So then he will post your cryptocurrency in your wallet. So I don't want to buy, I just want to cancel. Okay, reasons, yes, cancel it. So the second step, once you buy, what do you need to do? Because when the guys post the cryptocurrency in your wallet, so it came in P2P wallet. Let me show you, sorry. Go on your wallet, look at this P2P. When you click on P2P, from P2P you need transfer, click on transfer. From P2P to need SPOT your wallet. So click, choose the crypto you just bought it and max. So you will get the cryptocurrency in your SPOT P2P wallet. So the second is how to sell your cryptocurrency is easy. So you need a cryptocurrency, you need to send to a P2P wallet, for example Dogecoin. I need to click on transfer from spot wallet to P2P wallet. Choose your BNB, for example. I know it says I got 000 BNB. Just confirm transfer. Okay, go trade. So now you need trade. I just put on sell. I choose whatever the good amount, good price. I just click on sale and I put they got already my details. If you didn't put your details, you need to go put your account, bank name, details yours, so the guys can send you the money. So one thing very important for you guys is selling your cryptocurrency is Binance using P2P. So you have always check your account. The guy, for example, texts you, oh man, I already transferred the amount in your account. So do not pass you the cryptocurrency to the guy. So you need to check your account first, make sure you receive that. Otherwise, most of people is scamming. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it now. Give a thumbs up. If you have any suggestion, problem, question, anything in your mind, please comment the below of this video.